Welcome to my video on system thinking. Today, I will be exploring what system thinking is, why it is important, and how it can be applied in different contexts. System thinking helps us understand the world around us by looking at how parts of a system interact with one another. I'll explain the system thinking. In simple terms, system thinking is about seeing the big picture. Instead of focusing on just one part, we look at the whole system. For example, in a car, it's not enough to look at just the engine. You need to consider how the engine, tires, and fuel system all work together. In video link letter A, a systems story. In a systems story, I learned how every small part of a system is interconnected. If one part changes, it affects the whole system. This video showed us that when trying to solve a problem, it's essential to consider all the connection and relationships with the system. The next video, which is the letter B, applied system thinking to healthcare. It highlighted that medical errors are often the result of systemic issues, not individual mistakes. By analyzing the system, hospitals can make changes that prevent future problems, improving patient safety in the long run. The third video, which is the letter C, gave us a general overview of system thinking. It explained how this approach helps us understand the relationships between part of a system and how small actions can lead to significant changes. This is key in identifying patterns and avoiding unintended consequences. In the last video link, I saw how system thinking can solve complex real-world problems, whether in business, technology, or even nature. Looking at how systems interact help us to find solutions that address root causes, not just symptoms. In conclusion, system thinking encourages us to look beyond the obvious and think about how parts of a system influence each other. It helps us find better, long-term solutions by considering the entire system. I hope this video has helped you understand the value of system thinking in everyday life. Hi, my name is Villena Arnaldi from BSIT 3A BPO, and today I'll be explaining the importance of systems thinking. Systems thinking is a powerful tool that allows us to see how different parts of a system work together to create outcomes, helping us solve problems more effectively. Why systems thinking is important? Systems thinking is important because it shifts our focus from individual parts to the relationships between those parts. It helps us understand how our actions can have ripple effect across the entire system. For example, in a business, focusing only on improving one department may not work if other departments aren't aligned. System thinking ensures that we make decisions that benefit the whole organization. How can we apply in real-life situations? We can apply systems thinking in many areas, from healthcare and education to technology. For instance, in healthcare, using systems thinking can help us prevent mistakes by improving communication and processes, rather than just blaming individuals. It leads to more sustainable solutions because we address the root causes, not just the symptoms. In summary, systems thinking is a vital approach in tackling complex problems. It helps us see the bigger picture, make better decisions, and create long-term positive change. By thinking in terms of systems, we can improve how we interact with the world and solve problems more effectively.